big old pot of spaghetti. And we do catfish and spaghetti dinner, so I'm usually whipping this together. Because usually when we do our spaghetti dinners, we do it this way.
Dad, but I don't actually want cheese on my spaghetti.
Well, I like cheese on mine.
Okay.
Yeah, we like to do catfish and spaghetti dinners. And normally I do a big old pot of this. Big old full-size pan of this. We go in here with our catfish dinners. Always fun to do that. And maybe I could do that on some time to hang out and chat. We do catfish and spaghetti dinner. That sounds cool. I'm going to finish the 81% want me to finish out with a drink of sweet iced tea. I knew y'all was going to get me on that.
Can I eat some?
So we're going to have to settle for this tea.
Can I
I like to throw some sugar in it because I got the tea right here.
Can I eat some spaghetti? I'm hungry for spaghetti. What's spaghetti?
Well, we are. We're about to taste the food in a minute.
Yay! This isn't heavy.
No, it's not. Thank you for making the prediction to finish out with the meal. So we're going to finish and salute with the tea just for you. Those channel points, everybody that chose with the highest percentage will be sharing those wonderful channel points to get back, to utilize, to interact and have fun with us and the cooking channel. So I thank you so much on that. Let me take a look at the 10-minute poll.
Coco's on the floor.
Fantastic Beasts. I mean, I don't know what it is about me with y'all. I'm telling you, I like watching the Fantastic Beasts series just as much as the Harry Potter series. But in order for me to go into the Fantastic Beasts series, I had to go back and watch all, like from the beginning, Harry Potter's. I didn't start really getting to the Harry Potters until like in Goblet of Fire, to that series. I didn't really, I had to go back and actually watch it, you know. But now I enjoy Fantastic. I like watching Dumbledore and all those folks.
Why did you pause that?
I don't know why I paused it.